What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Beast Boy monkey skin from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left, starting from the very top. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the eye. And then pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So just line up the top of that circle. Just going to bring that down towards the same height. And then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, just going to pull that in and then back out. Let's line this up on the right. Now draw another circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. Let's start underneath the highlight, come down towards the bottom, tuck that in underneath, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and draw in the nostrils. Starting right in the middle, start with a point. Now from here we're going to curve this up towards the left, round this out, and then hook that back in. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going around and then in. And then we'll go back to the center of the nose. On the left side, draw a straight line coming down. Draw that same length line on the right. And we'll trace the inside of the nostrils. Starting on the top left, curve this around and then back in towards the bottom. And do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. I'm also going to add a fold in between the eyes. Starting back on the left, curve this up and then down. Now we move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start directly underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down the middle, and then bend that up on the right. Let's draw the bottom of the mouth. On the left side, we're going to step in, curve the bottom of the mouth coming down, round this out, and go up on the right. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a short curve for the lower lid. Now we're going to add two large fangs on either side. From the left side, we're going to step in, come down and in, pull that up and in towards the top. Let's go back to the inside of the left fang, curve the teeth coming down and then up, and we'll separate the teeth, starting in the middle with a short line. Go out to the side and draw it once more. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting back on the left, just going to curve this up and then down. We'll separate this with one line down the middle. Add one more on either side. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We'll start on the left side, we curve the eyebrow going up, bend that down on the inside, line this up on the right, going up and then down. And then we'll curl the inside of the brow, starting back on the left, come in and then up, do the same thing on the right. Let's flatten the outside of the eyebrow, starting on the left, angle up and in, and we'll follow that same curve coming up and then down on the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now that we complete the face, let's move out to the side and draw in the cheekbones. From the bottom corner of the eyebrow, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down and then bend that in, aiming towards the corner of the mouth. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down and then bending that in. And we'll connect the inside of the cheekbones with a curve, coming down underneath the lip, round this out, and then go up on the right. Now draw the fur coming down along the bottom of the head. Let's start underneath the cheek on the left side, come down, and then bend that in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add a point, curving up and in with a short line, then come down and then in. Let's add one more point on either side, going out and up. And we'll pull that down and in towards the center point. Just pulling that in, and going out and up. Now you want to bring the edge of the hairline coming back in towards the center. Let's start back on the left, going up, rounding this out. Just pull that down in the middle, go up and across, and then back down on the right. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. We'll start at the very top on the left, curve this up, come down, and then pull that in towards the side of the head, and we'll line this up on the right, going up, down, and then in. And then we'll add those folds inside the ear. From the top of the ear, let's step down, curve this up and out, go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Let's go back to the left side and work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting on top of the ear, just gonna go straight up, and we'll just bend that in. And then we'll add some hair in the center of the head. Starting from here, curve this up, bend that out, come in, and then down. From here, we're gonna step back up, curve this out and up, come down, and then in. Let's line up the left side of the head over on the right, curve the head going out, and we'll bring that back down on top of the right ear. Now I'm going to move down and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start on the left side. I'm just going to curve the arm coming in, and then out towards the elbow. Let's line this up on the right. Coming in, and then bending that out. And then from the bottom, we're going to step back in, curve the forearm coming in, and then down towards the wrist. Now we're going to tuck the thumbs in underneath the hand. Let's start on the left side. I'm going to draw a half circle, coming in and then out on both sides. And close off the end with a bracket. Now before we draw on the fingers, let's move back up and draw the outside of the arm. We're going to start underneath the ear. Just going to curve this out and then down with a short line. And we'll add a point of fur, going up and in with a short line. And then we'll round out the shoulders, starting up here, curve the arm going out, and then bending that in. Now that we have the top of the arm, let's move back down and draw on the fingers. We'll start underneath the thumb, draw the first finger coming down, and then up around that bracket. Step down, draw on the second finger, going up, and then the third finger, I'm just going to curve this out, go up, just tuck that in underneath the shoulder. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to separate the hands by adding some fur across the wrist. Let's start from the top of the thumb, curve this up and out, curve this out and then down, and we'll add a point, going out and up. Let's add one more point, going out and then down, go out and up toward the side of the arm. Let's go in between the elbows and add a curve. We'll come down the middle and then bend that back up on the right. Now I'm going to draw the bottom edge of the chest. From this point and the lower edge of the body, start right here, start with a point. I'm going to curve this down and up towards the left, go back to the center, come down, and up on the right. Now I'm going to move back to the center and draw the inside edge of the legs. Just up above the wrist on the left side, curve this up, and then bend that back down on the right. Now we're going to continue the legs coming down underneath the hands. Let's start underneath the last finger, curve the foot coming down, and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the toe, going around, and then pulling that back in. Let's add 3 more toes on the outside. Starting from the tip, curve this out, and then down with the short line. Round out the toe, go up, and then in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Going out and down, rounding out the toe, and then pulling that back in. And we'll stack 2 more in behind. Starting from the outside, go out, up, and then in. And then from the top, I'm going to curve this up and in behind the side of the arm. I'm also going to draw the outside leg coming out from the side of the arm. Let's start from the top of the foot, curve this out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add a point of fur, going out and down with a short line. And we'll pull the leg going up and back in towards the side of the arm. And that's pretty much it. There's the Beast Boy monkey skin from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.